Agni Link is an add-in to your CAD, PDM, or PLM application that creates a bidirectional real-time integration with ERP or other business management applications, all under total user control. It is a connector-based solution that allows customers to mix and match connectors to fit their specific requirements. Let's see how easily we can transfer a complete BOM to the ERP system. When the user triggers the integration, Agni Link will get the data from both the ERP and the engineering applications and will automatically resolve discrepancies based on customer-defined rules. It will then present the end user with the data and will use color-coded cells to indicate the current status of the integration. The user will then correct the data, if required, using convenient lookups and editing functions. Once the data is validated, Agni Link will simultaneously update engineering and ERP data. See what happened? We have automatically created not only the BOM, but also the items that were found in the engineering project. Now let's see what happens if a user modifies data in the ERP system. When an engineering user triggers the integration process again, Agni Link will get the data from both sides, resolve the discrepancy automatically, and will indicate it clearly to the user. All the user has to do is approach the cell with the cursor and select which version of the data should be kept or select another value. And then we complete the synchronization process. And that is how Agni Link can bidirectionally integrate CAD and ERP data in perfect harmony. What makes Agni Link unique is the entire integration process is governed by a configuration file that contains not only the desired mappings, but also the behavior of these mappings during the integration process. And customers can create and update these configurations all by themselves at any time without any programming.